Look empty. There's nobody in here. I hope it's good. I hope it's good. What's going on, world? We are back. And today we out here in Jacksonville, Florida, checking out MotLees. I done went in here and I got this big old bag. Look at this bag, y'all. Look at this big old heavy bag. Got me a nice peach cobbler milkshake. Let's get at a taste first, cause I ain't tasted. I want to see what this is about. Alright. They give you the giant straw. How thick that straw is. That means this milkshake is gonna be real thick, guys. Let's see. Ooh. I got the peach cobbler milkshake. They chopped up chunks of peach pie. Man. That's super thick right there. But it's good. Super thick, but good. We look into the bag. I got the number one. So the number one is the MotLees cheeseburger. They made this thing super quick. Oh my God. That's why I was quick. Give me a burnt burger, son. That does not look appetizing at all. Look at that burnt burger. Hopefully it tastes good. Here you go. Look at that burger. The inside. Oh, burnt up meat. We're gonna go for it though. Let's see. It's a nice little burger. I feel like that burger was disrespectful. And it was only disrespectful because it wasn't fresh. I'm kind of nervous to take stuff back to the restaurant nowadays because, if they willing to serve you something that looked like that and I took it back to them, I can only imagine what they would do with the burger before they hand it back to me. So we probably gonna just leave that. Come with waffle fries. No waffle fry. Let me try one more. Those fries was they was just no just at least it wasn't super expensive here, but there's nobody in here. I should have known that this food wasn't gonna be popping like that. All right, we got one more item. If I could get it out of here. And I got this one for Matt DV, because I know he always be at the hot dog spots. Check that out. That looks good. It's almost the size of my head. Look at that. Smells good. Let's see, this is the chili cheese dog. Okay. Now that's where it's at. That's pretty good. I'm about to be bougie, y'all. Get my fork, my knife out. I'm gonna be bougie. Let's see. Let me eat my hot dog. Eat my chili cheese dog. Eat a hot dog like that. Let me stop. Let me stop messing with y'all. That's what it look like right there. Oh, what y'all think? I look good or what? Now that on the milkshake, thumbs up. That burger and fries, trash.